everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. Today we're going to look at how to do the bobble stitch, and so to get started here, I'm going to yarn over one, go into my next stitch to grab a loop, and then yarn over and pull through two. I'm going to repeat that all in the same stitch until I get a total of 6 loops on my hook. So that will give me, so next one is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you have your 6 loops finished, you're going to yarn over one more time, pull through all 6, and then to lock in its shape, you're going to single crochet into the next stitch. Now, you can either have the bobble facing towards you or away from you, whichever is your preference. But overall, that is how you do the bobble stitch. I hope that is helpful for you completing your next project. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.